Hi there, and in this video we are going to talk about how to create an assignment. Using the assignment tool is a great way to collect assignments in your class. When you create an area for students to submit their assignment, it automatically creates a grade column in your grade center. It also allows you to grade the assignment within Blackboard. It makes it seamless and also creates a way to track activity with your students. So let's look at how to create an assignment in Blackboard. So we are in Module 1, and you see our placeholders here, and we scroll all the way down, and you want to place your assignments under this assessment header. So this just organizes all the modules so that all of the assignments or anything that your students have to submit or do for a grade are located underneath here. You'll see we already have an assignment made here, but what we're going to do is we're going to walk through the steps of creating an assignment for you. And the way you do that is first on the action bar up here, you're going to go to Assessments, and you're going to click on Assignment. On the Create Assignment page, which is here, you're first going to name the assignment. You're then going to give all the instructions or files students may need. So you may give them the instructions of what they need. Here is what is expected. It is due on, and you'll put the due date. And if there's a file that you need to attach, you would attach it here. You can embed it here within the text editor by clicking on this little attachment, or you can attach it down here. There will be another video that shows you exactly how to do that. And then scroll down. You're not done yet. You want to include the due date here as well. And the reason you do that is because then it shows up, when you include it here, it shows up in the student's calendar as an assignment that is due. You want to add how many points will this assignment be for. If you have a rubric that you will be using, and again there will be another video on rubrics, you can select the rubric or create a new rubric for this specific assignment from here. And in the grading area, there's different options. There's the submission details. Usually these things are all default and you don't usually change these, but we'll go through them just in case. You will have an individual submission or a group submission. Individual is typical because it's per student. How many attempts? Sometimes you can give a student a few attempts at an assignment. This is set as a single attempt. And then you can choose to use Safe Assign. Again, there will be another video on this, but this checks for plagiarism, so is most appropriate for essays and papers that students would be submitting. Your grading options. You may want to enable anonymous grading so they don't see who is grading, or delegated grading. We usually don't use these, so we usually keep them as unchecked for default. And then the display of the grades. Will it be a score and points? Will it be a letter grade, a text grade, a percentage grade, and so forth? You want to include the grade in grade calculations, and you want to show the grade to your students. Or you may not, but that is the option there. And then the availability. You want to make sure that the assignment is made available so students can submit it, and you may or may not want to only make the assignment available for a certain date or time. And you may choose to track the number of views. This is for reporting reasons if you wish to track that sort of thing. And then you click Submit. And when you go into the grade center later, when you're organizing your grade center, again, there's another video on that, you will see that a column has been made in the grade center called Ron's assignment that we just used. I hope you find that helpful. That's all there is to it. Thank you.